coordinate with Fire 4 once they get them up in the copter where they want to put them at. Copy, Elko, I see. Just let me know if you're going to go ahead and short haul them over to land these companies so you guys are going to handle the transport.
I'm starting to question the intelligence of living in the hills. I'm starting to wonder about that. I can't really attribute it to one cause. I'm not a meteorologist. I'm not a climate scientist. Just a human with a car buried in mud. I'll let you coordinate with Fire 4 once they get them up in the copter where they want to put them at.